The Prostate Cancer Foundation of Chicago is very, very committed to being at the side of the patient on their entire journey. Prostate cancer is a very, very common disease. It's the most common cancer in men, secondary to skin cancer. It affects approximately 240,000 men a year in the United States. And fortunately, the death rate used to be about 40,000 men per year, but that's dropped considerably because of better diagnostics and better treatments. It really comes down to early diagnosis. So we're trying to stay a step ahead of this disease and hopefully eradicate it. The foundation arose from a need that became apparent to me from my patients of all things. Patients would come to me after treatment and say, "Doctor, what can I do to help other men be aware of this disease and receive the appropriate treatment and hopefully a cure?"
We have patients that have just been diagnosed and are confused and don't know what to do, and we have patients that have been treated 15 or 20 years ago. And all these patients come to give back because they've been in their shoes. And so to have them talk to the other patients, tell them what they went through, and just give of their time, that is such a powerful tool in helping patients through their journey.
From a research perspective, the foundation is able to fund the researchers to develop newer technologies for diagnostics, and then if we find cancer, how to treat it effectively without impairing that man's quality of life. The funds that are raised for the foundation are used specifically for the staff to mine the database. We have a very massive database, over 25,000 patients.
We've done incredible research with the help of the foundation on our biopsy technique, on treating aggressive cancers that have been published in JAMA, in very big journals that go out to all these physicians and nurses all over the country. And to me, that is a huge contribution.
And I was very fortunate to be involved in the racing industry, IndyCar specifically. And one thing I took away from that whole sport was the need for specialization and detail. And we have been very successful because of that philosophy. This effort with the foundation could not be done without the support of industry partners such as Univar Solutions. They believe in our work, they believe in our efforts, and that is so powerful. We need supplies, we need support, and that is what Univar Solutions and the foundation are doing for us. And it's a wonderful thing to know when you're in the fight that you have support, because without it, we can't do it. On behalf of the foundation, I would like to specifically thank Mr. David Jukes. It's remarkably rewarding to have somebody such as Mr. Jukes come to our practice and have the curiosity and the level of interest that he exhibited. And not only that, his wonderful personality. It just kind of sends a shiver up your spine, like, gosh, I must be doing something right. This man believes in me. And I admire him and I admire the company he runs, and I wish there were more of them.